Here we are talking about the job profile and the candidate past experience working self-driven and being able to navigate. One way is around the new tools and teams to gain knowledge, your role end-to-end responsibility. The experts would engage with internal team of client for bug fixing, maintenance and feature development of the software product as an independent contractor. Experienced ideal candidate for this position should have an experience of 4 plus year, ability to work independently and adapt to a fast changing environment, creative self discipline and capable of identifying and completing critical tasks independently with a sense of urgency. Driving result, good single contributor and good team player, flexible attitude towards work as per the needs, proactively identify and communicate issues and risk, other personal characteristics, dynamic, engaging and self-reliant developer, ability to deal with ambiguity, manage a collaborative and analytical approach, self-confident and humble, open to continuous learning, intelligent, rigorous thinker who can operate successfully among us bright people, be equally comfortable and capable interacting with the technology as they are business executive. So here we are talking about the job. The job is basically technical business analyst. The candidate should have a knowledge of PowerPoint, Excel, Confluence, and Jira, knowledge in API integration and API development. Experience required 3 plus, might be 4 plus. The location is remote. It means that it's a work from home option. Duration is 12 months. Timing is full time as per the company timing. Notice period is 1 month or less. It means they need a candidate who can join immediately. Primary skill set, the candidate must have an hands-on experience in understanding API integration, designing and requirement analysis of API integration, experience in writing user stories for API development, high attention to detail and ability to operate without day-to-day direction, excellent written and oral communication skills, excellent hands-on skill with software tools such as PowerPoint, Excel, Confluence, and Jira are must. Experience in requirement allocation management, the ability to effectively communicate to all stakeholders, technical and non-technical, is essential. Familiar with the use of agile delivery principle. Secondary skill set, the candidate with past experience of working in the self-driven and being able to navigate. One way is around new tools and team to gain knowledge required in order to perform your role end to end. So I have already discussed with the responsibility. I will discuss it again. The experts would engage the internal team of client for bug fixing, maintenance, and feature development of software products as independent contractor. Experience, the ideal candidate for this position should have experience of 4 plus year, ability to work independently and adapt to a fast changing environment, creative self discipline and capable of identifying and completing critical tasks independent with a sense of urgency. Good driving result, good single contributor and good team player, flexible attitude towards work as per the needs, proactive identify and communicate easy issues and risk, other personal characteristic, dynamic engaging self reliant developer, ability to deal with ambiguity, manage a collaborative and analytical approach, self-confident and humble, open to continuous learning, intelligent, rigorous thinker who can operate successfully among us bright people, be equally comfortable and capable interacting with technology as there are with the business executives. So the job profile is very good, as you can see that it's a technical business analyst and they need a candidates who can work from home. They need a candidate who has experience of 3 plus or 4 plus, timing as per the company timing, and it is a very big brand. You need to work. Duration is 12 months or and the work from home option. You don't need to go to the office, you don't need to go outside. Thank you so much. Please share your resume. I will share you the link. Thank you.